What do you do, y'all? Let's have a look at BNB, Matic, and BTC price chart. Okay, guys, Bitcoin has been pumping for the past few days. So let's see what's going on, and let's see if Bitcoin is going to keep on pumping or it's time to do the pullback. Okay, so this is the 4-hour Bitcoin price chart, and as we can see right here, Bitcoin managed to break this resistance line. Right, so this is an area where Bitcoin struggled to beat, several times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and this is going to be the 5th time trying to break through this area right here. So let me just extend this one just in case. Okay, so Bitcoin broke this line. All right, so let me turn this line a green line, because this line right now is a support line. Okay, let's hope Bitcoin doesn't break this support line and goes below to the next support level, which is the 20K. Okay, we don't want to see that. We want Bitcoin to at least, stay within this 21.2K. Okay, so that's the ideal scenario. Okay, so let's zoom into an hour chart. Let's try to have a better picture about what is going on with Bitcoin. Okay, so at the moment, Bitcoin broke this resistance line, right, and turned it into a support line. Okay, so at the moment looks good, and also we can see the 3 EMAs, so 20, the 20, 50, and 100. Okay, and looks good, right? So as you can see right here, Bitcoin decided to pump, right, and it shows a bullish momentum, right, because the 3 EMAs are spread apart, right, like a fork. Okay, and obviously people will take profit, so there was a pullback right here. So Bitcoin touched the 20 EMA, which is the purple line, and from there, pumped back up. So now feels like Bitcoin is gonna go up again. So probably we shall see Bitcoin try to test this resistance level, which is the 23K. Okay, so this is what Bitcoin is doing at the moment. So let's have a look at BNB price chart. Okay, and obviously if Bitcoin pumps, BNB will pump too. Okay, and on my last video I said eventually BNB will touch the $242, and here we are, $242. And this, let me just delete this. Get lost, please. Yeah, okay, let me delete this one. Okay, so this 242, it's a resistance level, because as you can see right here, in the past BNB tried to break this level but failed. Okay, sellers decided to push the price down. Okay, that's why I decided to make this line right here, and as we can see right now, BNB is again struggling to beat this 242K. Not 242K, $242. All right, even though BNB, BTC, Bitcoin is pumping, right? So BNB is not pumping as hard as Bitcoin, okay, because of this level right here. So BNB is struggling to beat this level right here. Okay, so BNB feels like it's gonna try one more time to break through this level, and hopefully after breaking this level, BNB will do this. Hopefully BNB will break through and we'll start ranging. Okay, that's what we would like to see. But I don't know. All is going to depend on Bitcoin. Okay, so let's have a look at Matic. Okay, so Matic, same thing. Matic is pumping, and Matic is trading at 59 cents at the moment, and feels like it's gonna try one more time to break through the 60-cent level. Okay, I would like to see that. I would get lost. I would like to see that. Okay, so in my previous video I said eventually Matic would hit 56 cents, and he actually did. Bitcoin pumped, BNB pumped, and Matic pumped. Okay, so let's figure out what's going to happen with Matic. Okay, so this is the hour chart. Okay, let me just delete these purple lines. Ciao. Yes. Okay, and this is now a support level. Okay, so this is a support level. So if if Bitcoin decides to do a pullback to this level right here, 21.1, 21.2, Matic will do a pullback to this support level, which is 56 cents. And BNB, the next support level for BNB is 224. Okay, hopefully we won't see that happen. Wait a minute. Okay, this is an area. If Bitcoin does a pullback, BNB might do a pullback to this 236. Okay, because as you can see right here, this 236 is where BNB previously tried to break through, but he pushed back by sellers. And then again, okay, as you can see right here, he ranged a little bit, he touched, bounced back up, touched, bounced back up, and almost touched it again. Okay, so this is a point of interest area. And as you can see, back in the past, so if we stretch this out, we can see back in the past. Let me just make this line straight. Again, BNB right there. Okay, so that's why it's very important. See, again over here, again over here. So this is definitely an area of interest, right? So if Bitcoin does a pullback, BNB will do a pullback too. Okay, so let's go over to price prediction. Okay, so let me show you 3 scenarios that we can see from here. Okay, so from here we will have the scenario number 1. What is it? Scenario number 1 is, so we got a pullback right here. So we had a pullback right here. So Bitcoin might do this. Here, 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 and here. Okay, so this would be the scenario number 1. Hopefully that will be the case. Okay, if not, Bitcoin might do this. From here, Bitcoin might go back to this 21.2 and consolidate, going sideways. Okay, and then eventually we'll try to break through this resistance level again. Okay, so this is the scenario number 2, and we got the scenario number 3. Okay, because the market is so unpredictable, we don't really know what's gonna happen. Like the other day I thought Bitcoin would go down, but for all of a sudden Bitcoin pumped, right? It was crazy. So scenario number 3 is Bitcoin breaking through this support level and go back to this 20.2 level. Okay, so this is the scenario number 3. Okay, so we might see Bitcoin touching the 23k or going back to 21.2k. Okay, so in terms of Bitcoin, I would place an order like this. I would place my buy order over here. Okay, so I would place my order over here on 22, and I would stretch it out to over here because of this one right here. Okay, and this one I would bring it to here. Okay, so this would be my position. Okay, I would place an order right here to buy at 21.2, okay, and sell at 22.5. okay, so I would make a 5% profit. Okay, so let's go over to BNB. So this is the BNB price chart. So let's see what BNB might do. So as you can see right here, BNB is pumping, right? So we got 3 EMAs again. So Bitcoin touched the 20 EMA and bounced back up. BNB is doing the same. BNB actually touched the second EMA, which is the 50, and because it didn't break through, buyers decided to push the price back up. So BNB might do this. Okay, my range around this area. Okay, so this would be the scenario number 1. Scenario number 2 is BNB coming back to this 236 and then try one more time to break through this 242. Okay, so this would be the scenario number 2, or depending on what Bitcoin will do, BNB might break through this level, and it depends of the BNB drop. If Bitcoin drops a lot, BNB might go back to 224 again. So we don't really know. All depends on Bitcoin. But this is the scenario number 1, 2, and 3. If I had to place an order on BNB, I would place an order right here. Okay. So BNB eventually will pull back, right? Just like Bitcoin. So I would place my order right here, 236. Okay. I would set a stop loss right here, and take profit would be 244. Okay. So this would be my trade. Okay, next one up, we got the Matic. Okay, so this is Matic again, 3 EMAs. Matic is doing the same thing, right? So Matic might have a pullback. So let's do the 3 scenarios. So from what I can see, Matic is pumping, and again Matic touched the 20 EMA 20 EMA, and buyers decided to push the price back up. Okay, so we might see Matic touching the 62 line. Okay, so you might see Matic around here. All will depend on Bitcoin. Okay, so we might see this. Okay, or we might see Matic doing another pullback depending on Bitcoin, and then try to break through again, right? So this is going to be the scenario number 2, or scenario number 3, just like Bitcoin. Okay, so Matic might break through and go back to the 50 cent. Okay, but you know, I don't believe Matic, BNB, and BTC will dump their heart. So let's just have a look of in terms of prices. So from here to here is 2%, from here to here is 6%, and from here to here is 11%. Okay, so from here to here is less likely, because you know, we can see the pullbacks from here. And so for instance, this one to this one is 3%. From here to here is 5%. You know, we haven't seen 10% moves. Okay, so if Bitcoin goes down, right, so let's say 5%. So if Bitcoin goes down, we will see Bitcoin going back to 20.3k. Okay, that's the furthest it will go, which is the next support line. Okay, if BNB has to go down just like Bitcoin, BNB is right here. So where is the 6%? Right here. Okay, so just a bit above let's say 5%. Just right here. Okay, so again, it's closer to the 224, but you know, Bitcoin has to drop a lot, right? So that's why I said to you I would place my order right here, just in case BNB decides to do a pullback. Okay, and in terms of Matic, right? So let's check Matic. Let's see how low Matic can go. So 5%. Oh, that's too much. 5% would be right here. Okay, so just a bit below this support line. Okay, which is normal, right? Because as Bitcoin is climbing, you know, it's climbing these resistance lines. These resistance lines, they are becoming support lines, and same goes to all the altcoins. All right, so they break through the resistance lines, and then those resistance lines, they become support lines. Okay, and then if there is a pullback or something like that, they will fall to the previous support line. Okay, so steady Bitcoin is climbing up. Okay, and then again on Matic, if I had to place a bet, which I will, okay, I would place a bet right here. So I would place a bet over here and say, hey, buy Matic and sell here. Okay, yeah, right here. So I would place my order right here. So this Matic order, because I'm trading Matic on Binance, I will place this order on Binance. So what I will do is, I can do a video if you want to. What I will do, I've got Matic, so I will set my order to sell over here at 61.70, or because I bought Matic at I think at 40 something or 50 something. Okay, so I would put my stop loss around just a bit below, so I could take a little bit of profit. So let's say 0.55. Okay, so even if Matic goes down, I will sell, but I will be in profit. Okay, not much profits, but I will be in profit. But if Matic reaches 61.70, I will be in better profits. Okay, so either way, I'll be winning. Okay, so yes, I will do that live trade. So I will show you how to set up that trade so you can see and learn a little bit if you don't know how to do it. Okay, but yes, guys, price prediction, you know, from what I can see, Bitcoin is pumping nice, right? So let's go over to the 4-hour chart. Bitcoin is pumping nice, right? And feels like Bitcoin will try to hit the 23K. Okay, if not, Bitcoin will go back to its support level, which is 21.2. Okay, and then we'll try again. So Bitcoin might go for the scenario number 1, which is this red line right here, trying the 23K, or scenario number 2, trying this going back to 21.2 and then pumping back up. Okay, less likely Bitcoin will go back to the previous support level, which is the 20.3K. BNB, you know, price prediction for BNB. BNB is really struggling to break through this level. Okay, 242 at the moment. Okay, and from what I can see, BNB will have a pullback. Okay, BNB will have a pullback. Nothing major, I believe, but if it goes down, it might go down all the way to 236 and go back up. Okay, BNB is really struggling to break this resistance line. Okay, so from what I can see, sellers might come in and push the price down. Okay, so we might see the scenario number 2, which is this yellow line, BNB going to 236 and try one more time to break through this 242 level. Okay, and lastly, we got Matic. Okay, so looking at the Matic price charts, Matic might go for the scenario number 1. Okay, Matic looks really good. Okay, Matic might go for the 61.70 cents. Okay, so likely Matic will go for the scenario number 1. BNB might go for the scenario number 2, and BTC Either it goes for the scenario number 1, which is this one, or scenario number 2. Okay guys, so yes, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned in for the next one. Have a peaceful day. I'm out.